Hi guys! So today's video is actually a request from a subscriber, and first I have to thank you all for the support and for helping me to build this community, this knitting crochet craft community. And let's get into the video. So we are going to make a crochet star bag. So for that I'm going to use this yarn. I don't know if you can see, but it has like this thing here inside, and I really like the look of this. I actually already crocheted the bag with this yarn and I love how it looks. So I think this for the base, and then I was thinking on cutting some fabric. You know that bag that I did where I used old fabrics to build my own yarn and then make a bag. So I think that I'm going to do that for the edging because I want to give a little bit more structure, and I feel that with the fabric I can achieve that. And also I'm not planning on do this like too big, just because I think that it will be too much. So yeah, let's see how it goes. First I need to learn how to do a star, how to crochet a star. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, I'm not going to panic, but I hope this looks better than this. What is this? I am hoping that with the edging it will look nice. So let's keep our hopes and hope for the best. Actually, what is this, guys? Yeah, it's actually really easy. So I don't know, if this doesn't turn out great, I can just try another way to do a star. But yeah, this is what we have so far. So guys, I think we did an improvement, so this looks much better, and I like to see like the little corners more like with the round shape, and also it helped with more structure. So basically now I just have to do another of these, and then I will put everything together. The only thing that I'm wondering is how is going to be the opening. The opening could be like with these two. Maybe I should have thought this first. Let's see. So guys, we already have our 2 stars, and now I have to crochet them together, and for that I'm going to use this leftover yarn that I have here made of fabrics, and this was basically the rest of the yarn that I use for this bag, and I really like the look and this messy unfinished look. So let's see. I just had a quick lunch break and I'm continuing to do the edging part. So yeah, let's keep doing that. So I have to say that the denim part, which is this purple and the black fabric, are really hard. Because they are really thick, and actually my previous bag I use bigger hook, so probably should be that, but I really like the effect, so let's keep going. Oops, I should have stopped here. So now I have to do this opening part separately, and I think after that we are really almost finishing. Because I ran out of yarn, I'm going to reuse these from a previous bag that is a crossbody bag. I'm going to do some changes here with the yarn from fabrics, and let's see how that's going to look. Okay guys, so the bag is finished. Okay, before I show you, I think that I should have done this in a bigger size, just because obviously because of the shape it doesn't fit like not much, so I would for next time do this much bigger, but I think in terms of shape and the structure I think it's nice. It's just that it doesn't fit almost anything, so but I will look at this like a sample so I can do another version of this, but now that actually fits more than just a lipstick. So so okay guys, are we ready? So this is the result. So here's the little star and then the strap, so you can put across your body. So let me just, I'm sorry, I'm all these little fabrics from the yarn. So this is how it looks, my little star. And I like the detail here as well, so I think it matches. Probably I would add a button here so it doesn't go like this, but I don't know if I block this, if this would be better. But yeah guys, this is my star bag and I think it's a really fun project, really fun design as well, and I think this with denim would look amazing. So guys, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for the suggestion. As always guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and also don't forget to comment because I love to talk to you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!